how to see all the Google Maps street views. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open Google Maps on your device. So if you want, you can use their official app, or you can simply go to googlemaps.com, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to any street that you want to basically view. And then what you're gonna have to do next, as you can see here in the bottom right corner, you have this little man here, this yellow man. Simply drag it here wherever you want, and basically you're gonna be able to view the street like this. So basically, uh, as you can see here, keep in mind that some of these streets doesn't allow you to view back in time, so you're gonna have to simply go and see. As you can see, you have this option here, see more dates, and you can basically go back in time. As you can see, 2012 and way back to 2007. Now keep in mind that some street and some areas, some countries allow you to go way back in time. Just what all you have to do is simply go back, as you can see, and move around in your city or country and look at the bottom. So keep in mind, don't forget to leave this enabled, so you can see. As you can see, if we go here, if we move around, we're gonna see different dates. So I'm gonna try and go in another country. So let's see. So let me go to another country. Let's go to Italy. So let's see, let's go to Rome. So let's go here, Florence. So let's see where is Rome. And what you're gonna have to do is simply, so let's go here, and then I'm gonna go here. So let's zoom in, and then I'm gonna take here this little man and put it right here. Then I'm gonna click on see more dates, and so it's not that old. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.